Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, today we are going to do the place value and face value concept. We have already did in the previous class, that is in the first class, we did the place value and face value, right? And today also in the second class, we will do the place value and face value. All right. So without wasting any time, let's get start with the concept now. Okay. Now what is the face value? Face value of the digit in a number is the digit itself. जो नंबर होता है वही नंबर फेस वैल्यू होता है. As you can see in the example also, 41 is equal to, now what is the face value of 4 in 41? 4, right? And the face value of 1 in 41 is 1, right? If I say 8, now what is the face value of 8? 8 की face value क्या है? 8 है, right? Now what is the face value of 2? 2. What is the face value of 61? What is the face value of 6 in 61? 6 का 6 आ जाएगा तो नंबर itself, नंबर वही नंबर उसकी फेस वैल्यू होती है. जो नंबर होता है वही उसकी फेस वैल्यू होती है, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 61. नाउ व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1? 1 की फेस वैल्यू क्या है? 1, राइट? इज दैट क्लियर? उसकी फेस से हम उसको रिकॉग्नाइज कर सकते हैं, हम उसे पहचान सकते हैं कि ये कौन सा नंबर है, राइट? जो नंबर होता है वही फेस वैल्यू होता है, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7, right? Now what is the face value of 7? 7, right? So this is all about the face value. Face value क्या होती है? The number itself. Okay? Now let's move on to the place value. Now place value क्या होती है? The place value of the digit depends upon the place occupied by in it in a number. Yes, कौन सी place है? Okay, now 68. हमने ये तो पढ़ा है ना कि यहां से क्या स्टार्ट होता है? फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड वंस, राइट? आई विल शो यू. दिस प्लेसेस वंस, वंस के बाद क्या आता है? टेंस, टेंस के बाद क्या आता है? 100, राइट? नाउ 8 कौन सी प्लेस पे है? वंस की प्लेस पे, राइट? सो 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? वंस. 6 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? Tens. Okay, from where? Right hand side से we always start from right hand side. Ones, tens, hundreds, right? This is the system. ये एक system है, right? So what is the place value of 8? Ones. And what is the place value of 6? Tens. Okay, now I'll give you some more examples. This is ones, tens, hundred. अब हमें 268 लिखना है, right? Now what is the place value of 8? 8 की place value क्या है? कहां पे lie कर रहा है? कहां पे बैठा है 8? Ones की place पे. So 8 ones, right? Next 6 की place value क्या है? Tens. 6 tens. Now 2 की place value क्या है? 100. So 2 hundreds. ठीक है? So this is all about the place value. Now what is place value? Place value of the digit depends upon the place occupied by it in a number. कौन सी place occupy की है number ने, उस पे depend करती है उसकी place value. अगर वो ones पे बैठा है तो place value क्या होगी? ones. अगर tens पे बैठा है तो place value क्या होगी? tens. अगर 100 पे है तो 100 क्या place value होगी? 100. Okay. Now let's move on to the next example. For example 117, right? So what is the place value of 7? Ones, tens, 100. Now what is the place value of 7? 7 की place value क्या है? Ones, right? 1 की place value क्या है? Tens. Again 1 की place value क्या है? Hundreds. Okay. All right. So this is all about the place value and face value. Face value तो बहुत ही simple है, जो number है आप वही लिख दो, that is the face value. Basically इसमें face की identity है, right? Now the face value 83 में, what is the face value of 8? In 83 the face value of 8 is 8. 8 की face value क्या है? 8, right? और 3 की face value क्या है? 3. Similarly, what is the place value of the digit? अब place value क्या है? 3 की place value क्या है? Ones, ones, tens. अब उसके आगे कोई नंबर नहीं है, so we will not write the place as well, right? Now what is the place value of 3? 3 की place value क्या है? Ones. 8 की place value क्या है? Tens. It's very simple. It's as simple as that. Okay? Okay, now here is a little exercise related to face value and place value. Okay? Write the face value and the place value of each digit. Now first is 51. First example is already been done for you. 58. Now face value of 5 is 5 and the face value of 8 is 8. Face value what is? Number itself. जो number है आप वही number लिख दो, जो number है वही number face value है, right? Place value of 5 is, now place value 5, 5 की place value क्या है? Ones. This is ones. Tens. Now what is the place value of 5? Tens. And the place value of 8 is ones. Now you will tell me this thing. 72. Now tell me, what is the place value of 7? Yes, right you are. Tens. Place value of 7 is tens. Ones, tens. And the face value of 2 is 2. Face value of 7 is 7. And the face value of 2 is 2. Next. Place value of 3 is, now what is the place value of 3? Ones, tens. आप पहले places आप उसमें लिख लेंगे. So it will be easy for you, right? First of all, write down the places. This is ones, tens. Now, place value of 3 is tens. And the place value of, sorry, it's 1. Place value of 1 is ones. Okay? Face value of 3 is 3. And the face value of 1 is 1. Okay, students? I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. Okay, students, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you.